What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to take you behind the scenes and show you what's going on like we do every Wednesday at hopefully every shop. So this week, before we get started, if you haven't already marked your calendars for this Saturday, the Tesla Fiesta is at our Gibsonia store. That is a Tesla-focused event, not Tesla-only event. So no matter what car you have, come on out, have a good time. There's going to be tacos, margaritas, and just fun. If you have a Tesla, we're going to be doing show-specific discounts for Teslas only that day. So check it out. Check out the Gibsonia store in person on Saturday for the Tesla Fiesta. Okay, over here we've got an Aston Martin. I think this is a DB11. I'm not super familiar with the models of Aston, so I'm not very good at it, but I love them. They're gorgeous. This interior is white, and it is beautiful. This one got paint protection on the front end, and now it's getting polished, and then a ceramic coating. And the guys are cleaning up a car in the wash bay. That's a Lexus for a full front end of paint protection film, so no more rock chips for the front of that. I think that's the GX 460, I think. It's the big one. All right, and this GT500 belongs to our friend Bill, and it's getting a ceramic coating. It already got the windows tinted. Aaron is just finishing up on a new Bronco. Actually, I think there's another Bronco outside, so it's Bronco Day at Blackout. No Corvettes here. We've swapped Corvettes for Broncos. Oh, there is a Corvette. I'm corrected. There is a, which one? C8. Yeah, there's a C8 here. My bad. We've got a Dodge Ram. This is the E-Torque Hemi, so this has a little electric motor attached to the engine. It's a hybrid Ram. It's pretty cool. And this one got a full front protection with XPEL Ultimate. This is for our good friend Nate. He grabbed it down at Laurel Valley Motors. If you guys are in the market for a Dodge, make sure you call down to Laurel Valley and Latrobe. They're awesome to deal with. I bought like 7 cars or something off of them. All right, we're outside. It's a beautiful day here in Latrobe. We've got a Dodge Ram here for an annual inspection, followed by a Bullitt Mustang here for an annual inspection. It also got underglow. I love underglow. We also still do 12-volt electronic stuff. A lot of times we're not hitting on that because most of that happens in another location down the road from here that we don't visit that often for what's in the shop. We're always building police cars and fire trucks. If you're part of a police department or fire department, call us. We do full upfits. This Jeep Compass got the windows tinted. And then we have a Bronco. We did a stealth wrap on this car previously, and where the soft top is coming off, it's putting like some damage on the paint. We don't normally wrap that area, but we will happily do that for this customer to help them protect it from more damage. This C8 is here for a 10 mil paint protection film wrap. I believe it's getting coated as well. He picked up a C7 for the same thing and dropped off a C8. Jeff's Gladiator is still here. We did paint protection on the whole front as well as the rear flares and the door sills of that. The dirt bikes in the back are getting some paint protection film and a ceramic coating. The windows are getting tinted on the Gladiator also. We've got some RC car bodies to do some PPF too. Then we have a BMW SUV. This was a stealth wrap, and the customer doesn't like the way that the kit fits underneath the door handles. So this time around, we're going to go ahead and remove the door handles. We try to avoid lots of disassembly on a brand new car if possible, but when the customer doesn't like it, no problem at all. We'll take that apart. Got a Ram 2500 for an annual inspection. And another Barbish truck back there. There's always a Barbish truck here. I say it every week. If you need excavation work, if you need landscaping supply, he's the guy to call. And Daryl brought in his truck. We'd previously ceramic coated this. It was at another shop for a while, getting some like lift kit and all that kind of stuff installed. And it was a little bit dirty, so it came back. We cleaned it up, and we're going to be ceramic coating some of those parts that he had installed. Camaro RS. This one got stripped and retinted yesterday. And an Acura TLX. This one's here for an annual inspection next week. It just dropped off a little bit early for us. And in the middle of the lot, we have a Bentley and a Range Rover. The Bentley had paint protection film installed before, and now it's back for a paint correction and a ceramic coating. So one thing that's awesome about Bentley paint, there's very little orange peel in it. So when you do polish and correct it, it looks gorgeous. It's basically a mirror. And the Range Rover was a situation where it was coated a couple of years ago, and over time, possibly washing or a car wash or a dirty wash mid or something like that, put some scratches in the coating. A lot of people think that a coating is bulletproof, that it's scratch resistant. There's a lot of information on the internet that's just simply not true with ceramic coatings. They're really awesome. They really improve the gloss and the depth of the paint. They make it a lot easier to keep clean. They're not going to protect you from that kind of damage. That's what paint protection film is for. So, and then we recoated those areas that were polished.
Hi, this is Joe from a Blackout Tinting emergency vehicle shop, and we want to show you what's in the shop on Wednesday. First thing we have is a beautiful Cadillac from a funeral home that wanted some purple lights put on the front for when they're going through the intersections. And this one is the lead car that the family normally rides in or whatever, and it'll give a lot more safety as they're going through the intersections. Okay, we have a 2022 Ford Explorer Interceptor here for a local agency here. This is the second one we've done for them. And they're very specific with what they want on these. So we do a lot of customization with this particular one. The light bar on it is a Whelen. Everything in it is basically Whelen. The light bar was from one of their previous vehicles that we removed and put on here. We have their computer, printer, all that stuff in the middle console. We also do a custom plate in the back behind the passenger seat that we put all the controls. We actually mount the Whelen box, the 4200, and all the wiring and everything goes there. It's a single occupant partition in the back instead of the one with a full seat. It's just the one seat over behind the passenger. As far as the front goes, we'll have the bullet lights inside, the headlights, the 1-inch bullets, white, and we also have, of course, what most everyone does is the Whelen inside the grills. Put a gray vinyl on there and just cut a little window in there as per the customer's request so he can see who's on that side, but they can't see what's on this side. We have another 2022 Explorer Interceptor here for local agency here. And unlike the previous one, this one is a full occupancy in the back. It's not a single, it's the whole way across, which will show you the plastic seat. This is the back. Now this customer prefers the wire mesh on the back partition, the barrier, instead of the plexiglass because of the airflow. And this particular vehicle has the individual controls for the front and rear air and heat. We also have a economical tough box in the back here, plastic tough box with dividers that can be removed or just to store your gear, relatively inexpensive. Inside here, in the prisoner containment areas, you can see we use ProGuard most of the time, and it has the seat belts that you don't have to reach over the prisoner that's in there. You can buckle and unbuckle right from here. And of course, it has the sliding window between the driver and the occupants in the back. This is a Phoenix build. 99% of what we put on this one is Phoenix. The light bar is a Phoenix. The lights behind the C-pillars are Phoenix. The ones in the back are Phoenix. We also have the Go Rhino push bar on the front with the Phoenix Fusion lights in the bar. I forgot to mention that the lights in the back and the ones in the sides are the new Phoenix quad lights. If you haven't seen them, they're pretty cool. They do 4 different colors. Okay, guys, thanks for checking in. That's all we have going on now. We have a lot of stuff coming in. If you have any emergency vehicles that need work, we also do service work on whatever you have. We're real big into LED replacement lights on your fire trucks, etc. Give us a call anytime. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks.
And that's it for what's going on in Latrobe. We're going to check out Gibsonia with Luke and Miami with Patrick.
What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, so it's time to check out what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. First up outside, we have a Ram Heavy Duty. Looks like this is a Cowboy edition. This was tinted by another shop, and we're going to be stripping the front 2 doors and retinting all the side windows, the back window, and the visor in our XPEL XR series. First up, we have a Jeep Wrangler from our friends at Krebs Chrysler. This got the 2 front windows done in our XR Prime 20% tint to match the back windows. Being tinted curly is another vehicle from our friends at Krebs. This is a Dodge Charger. This is getting the 20% tint as well on all the side windows and the back window. In for a paint correction is a brand new Kia Telluride. This got all of the black paint corrected. The customer, I believe, had a snow brush or a snow shovel to remove snow from his vehicle, and Mark has been doing a great job cleaning up the paint. There are some stuff in there that is too deep to correct, but overall, it's going to be shiny in a couple days here. In the wash pit, we have Steve doing a 2-week wash on this Chevy Camaro. This was coated by Mark a couple weeks ago here, and it's just back in for its 2-week wash and checkup. And in for a full wrap this week, a full stealth wrap, I should say, is this brand new Tesla Model X. This came to us gloss blue. It's going to leave satin blue. All painted surfaces that are blue are getting the stealth paint protection film. All of the black accent pieces, such as the window trim, the handles, and the cameras, once they go back in, are all going to be done in the Ultimate Plus. Once that is done, is getting a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. So stop by the shop on Saturday. We're going to be having our Tesla Fiesta. You can check out this Model X, along with a lot more cool stuff here at the Gibsonia shop. That's on Saturday from 1 to 4. That's all for here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys next week.
What's going on, everybody? We are back again on this Wednesday for a What's in the Shop Wednesday. So let's go ahead and see what we have going on this week. All right, so starting out front, this was one of our projects from last week. This is a 2022 Volkswagen Golf R. This one received a full XPEL Stealth paint protection film wrap, as well as a ceramic coating, XR Plus 5% the whole way around, as well as 55 on the windshield. It also received an interior coating, a wheels off package, as well as some taillight tint and some of the taillight tint on the badges as well. This car looks absolutely incredible. All right, now going inside, let's see what kind of cars we have in here this week. All right, so first off in here, we have this brand new Porsche Taycan. It just came in for a quick cleanup. This is a beautiful spec. This is a Taycan 4S. I believe the color is slate gray. It looks absolutely incredible under these lights. So this one is ready to go home. And over here we have a Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one is getting XR Plus the whole way around, as well as a full windshield. So they're in the process of working on that right now. There's the Hellcat. And over here, this is another big project we got going on. This is a 2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV diesel, and it is getting a full XPEL paint protection film wrap the whole way around, as well as a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. And then we did the XPEL XR Plus 35% on the front two windows there, so it's a little bit lighter than the back. And then we also did the XPEL XR Plus 70 on the windshield. All right, so that's all that we have going on this week at the Blackout Tinting Miami location. Stay tuned and see what we have going on next week with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our videos. Tell us how we're doing, and tell us what else you would like to see.